toys here. Happy Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna do one of my awesome giveaways for Valentine's Day, and what you win is going to be the slime that I am about to make. If you prefer a different slime, we can go ahead and make you that instead. But for first off, here's the pom-poms right here. Whoever can guess the closest or exact, of course, will win the slime, or the slime if you're choosing. So I'll go ahead and measure the jar. It is exactly 4.5 inches, about 4 inches actually, in the jar itself. And the depth, it's like 4 by 4 is the jar. And if you go around it, let's see. And 14 inches round. So 4 by 4, 14 inches round. Tell me how many pom-poms are in this jar right here, and you will win the slime that I am making. Or you can pick your own slime that you would prefer, and I will send you that instead. So we're gonna put this right here for now. I'll let you look at it a little bit in the end too. We're gonna go ahead and make our slime now. So we've got some pink glitter glue as well as some regular white glue. So let's go ahead and put this first. Hopefully this will form into slime, because this is like the, you call this like the Imagine glitter glue here. Should have gotten some Elmer's. Here we go, crunchy, fluffy slime. These hearts don't stay in there that well, but they're still cool, and this still makes for some really awesome Valentine's Day slime. Alright friends, so here it is, my fluffy Valentine's Day slime with falling hearts everywhere, but hey! Alright, so like I said again, this is 4 by 4, 14 inches round. Tell me how many pom-poms are in this jar right here, and you will win this slime, or I can make you a slime you prefer. See, it's not as sticky, it's just still stuck on me a little bit. Just mash it up a little bit more and it should be good. But yeah, this is a borax slime, so if you prefer something that's more like more safer, like a contact solution slime or something like that, I can go ahead and do that for you. One without hearts, just, you know, whoever wins, we can discuss what kind of slime you'll make, and I will make it live on camera before I send it to you. Alright guys, see, it's pretty neat. Actually fluffs up pretty well. Those hearts don't stay in there very well. Maybe I put too many in there. I don't know. I love experimenting with different kinds of slime, but you see it's sticky, but it's not too sticky. Pretty cool. Alright guys, well, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you all have a great one and you get all the love from everybody you deserve, and you have a wonderful day. And always don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I have an Instagram at WeToys. Go check that out too. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.